Hey guys, this is Deepika here and welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog we would be exploring Munnar. So super excited for this series, so let's get started. So you'll have to be buying tickets for the ride, the jet ski ride. That is the kiosk you would get your ticket for the jet ski. So I have bought mine. I would be heading towards the jetty where the jet ski is actually there. So I would go ahead and have my ride now. Let's see how how this experience is or how exciting this is. So you actually have jet ski and pedal boat. So the pedal boat is about 400 rupees and the jet ski is about 300 rupees. And for pedal boat it is 400 per boat. Either you can go all by yourself or with someone. So just two of them can sit in one boat. So yeah, I'm planning to go for the jet ski option because even one person can actually go and finish the ride. And when I asked them, they said that it would be one full round with two half rounds, 3 rounds altogether would be the ride, and this would cost about 300 rupees. So let me see how this experience is. I believe I would be drenched by the end of this particular ride. So let's see how this experience is. After my jet ski ride, which I thoroughly enjoyed, I have just come to have a view of the Matapati Dam. So this particular bridge is actually the dam over which vehicles have been passing, and the dam is right beneath this. So yes, let's see what view we get to see this particular dam. So let's go to this viewpoint here and see what exactly it looks like. So that is the water dam, sorry, the river dam here. So this is Matapati Dam here. It looks absolutely amazing. There's a rainbow that's formed right near this particular, water place. So when the water's like splashing out, the color of the rainbow is actually seen there close by. So it was absolutely amazing to actually see this view. I remember the last time I came here, a complete straight view of this particular dam can be seen. I will ask the driver if he can take us there so that we can have a complete view of this particular place. But for now, this is the Matapati Dam, and there is vehicles that is being allowed to travel over the dam. So we would be heading to the next place here. I'm sorry, it looks quite dark. Yeah, now it's better. So yeah, so we would be heading to the next place to be exploring. So let's get started and see what is the next place that we would be traveling to. Reached the eco point here. It is completely packed. You can see that there's vehicles all over. The parking is full. So here there is one particular place there. So inside that place is where we will have to be going to have our tickets purchased. So let's get started and see how exactly this place is. And I was told, okay, let me tell you about the place once I go down there. So let's get started. We have entered this place here, and this particular place there is I believe the ticket counter. So let me go check that, and I would be purchasing the ticket, and will be going inside. And as the name suggests, Eco Point, I believe you would know what this place is, but maybe I will just give you a short detail about this particular place once we have the ticket purchased. So guys, the update is that there is no entry fee for this particular point. You can actually enter this particular place for free, but in case you want some activities like pedal boating or any other kayaking or something like that, for that it would be chargeable. And that detail I would just insert a video where you can actually check for the details in the video here. So yeah, this particular point, the speciality is that the place echoes. So in case you shout out either a name or any word, so that particular word echoes from a little away from here. So that is the speciality of this place. You actually, I'm not sure if you can hear, there are a few people who are like shouting out names and calling out hello, so that they can actually hear the voice back. I don't know how much I would be able to capture it because it is not very prominent. It is quite faint, but this is quite a scenic spot. Surely a must-visit place when you visit Munnar. So finally, after relaxing here at the Eco Point, I am heading back to my car, and would be heading to the next point and see if we can be having our lunch somewhere soon. So yeah, another information I received just now is that this particular place in the backdrop is the place where most of the like few scenes were shot here for Chennai Express is the update. So Chennai Express, just now I realized when this particular scene where the car goes into the water and Shah Rukh Khan blames Deepika Padukone for the mishap. That particular scene seems a little too similar to this particular backdrop, so most probably that is the scene they are speaking of. And I was told that many scenes, like most of the scenes from that particular movie, was shot here in Munnar. So the next point, I'm not too sure as to where exactly we are heading to. So we would be leaving this particular place. This particular place is like absolutely breathtaking, very scenic. Even if you do not want to do any activities over here, you can just come here and sit. This particular view is like really amazing, quite soothing and calming. So you surely can visit this particular place and have a really good time. So after the visit to Eco Point, we had come to this particular restaurant and we ordered for some food. I just ordered for some white rice and chicken curry, and my dad had some chapati and egg omelette. So this was the meal for the day. Actually have reached the next point here. This is the Kundala Dam. So this again, like the Matapati Dam, I believe the same river flows and there's another dam reservoir here. So we would be exploring this particular place. I believe there's an entry fee for this, so I will update you with the details as to how much the entry fee costs and how the place is. Are done visiting the Kundala Dam and heading back. Unfortunately, videography was not allowed inside, so I have clicked a few pictures. Still photography was allowed, so I've clicked a few pictures so you guys can go see those pictures. The place looks absolutely beautiful. So this particular video does not have the entire trail taken, but I have taken a few pictures here. So maybe you can just see those pictures. I will have them inserted in the video. All the sightseeing, finally reached the marketplace here. So if you see behind me, this is the Munnar market, and it's quite early. The sightseeing was over by say 3:30, and it is just 4:40, around 4:45. So we just came to the market area to see if there is anything that we can have a quick bite for. So we came to this particular cafe. This is Tea Tales, and in this completely chaotic place, if you see behind me, like complete traffic and vehicles moving around. There's a small cafe on top, so we just came here and I'm waiting for my food. So we have ordered, I've just ordered for chicken nuggets to just pass time. So yeah, we will see how the food is here. And this is the last activity for the day. So once this is done, I would be heading back to the hotel and calling it a day. So we will wait for the food and I will update you with the details. We have reached the end of this particular vlog, but this is not the end of the Kerala series. There are a few more places that we would be visiting, so stay tuned for further videos from Kerala. So if you guys are enjoying this, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, in case there is any feedback or more information that is required, do leave a comment down below and I will try my best to get back to you. So for now, I will go ahead and have more videos updated for you. So until next time, stay tuned, stay safe.